Very good morning, children. Welcome to the digital class of 6th standard. Today we are going to start the first chapter of science, that is food. Where does it come from? Children, look at them. Their mother is making fish curry and rice with vegetable salad. Identify the foods which belongs to the list given. Rices are the cereals. Fish curry belong to the meat food, and salad which is belong to fruits and vegetables. We get our food from plants and animals. Thus plants parts and animal products are the main sources of our food. Let us first learn about food from plants. Green plants prepare their own food. They use light, air, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll to prepare the food by the process of photosynthesis. Different plants parts serves as source of food for us. Fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses that we eat obtained from the parts of the plant. Roots. We eat roots of plants such as carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, and beetroot. Stems of certain plants are eaten by us. For example, this stem of sugarcane plant is also used to make sugar. The stem of flower of the banana plant is cooked in a different parts of our India. Certain plants have underground stems that we eat such as potato and ginger. Leaves of plants such as lettuce, spinach, cabbage and fenugreek or methi are eaten by us. We also eat flowers of plants such as cauliflower, broccoli and banana. Pulses such as bean, mung bean, kidney bean, chickpea, as well as cereals such as wheat, corn and rice, which are seeds of a plant. We eat wheat grains are ground to make flour. Out of it we make chapati. We also use the seeds of certain plants such as cumin, coriander, black pepper and cardamom as spices to add flavor to our food. Plants also provide us fruits and vegetables. Apples, banana and mango are common foods. There are other fruits such as brinjal and tomato which are eaten or either cooked or raw as vegetables. Now, let us learn about the food that we get from the animals. Animal products such as meat, egg, honey, milk, cheese, butter, and curd are eaten by human beings. People commonly eat the meat of animals such as goat, chicken, fish, and prawns. Hen's eggs is the most common bird egg that we eat. But many people eat the eggs of goose, ducks, and large hens. From the eggs we get protein and vitamins. Honey is a sweet liquid that we get from the nectar of the flowers. Honey is collected beehives. It is used in cooking and also has a medicinal values. Milk is a milk we get from the animals such as cows, buffaloes, camels, and goats. It is very nutritious food item and rich sources of protein. Milk contains calcium which required the proper growth of teeth and bones. Product made from the milk are known as dairy products. Let us learn about some dairy products. First is paneer or cottage cheese. Paneer can be made by adding lemon juice or vinegar to hot milk. This process is called curdling. This results in the separation of milk into liquid part. After it we get paneer, which is called curdless. Cheese, it is made from the milk from the goat, cow, sheep and buffalo. Cream, it is a fat layer of the milk. Butter is made by gently fresh cream. Ghee is made by gently heating butter and removing the solid matter. Curd, common methods of making curdless: adding a small sample of curdling in the warm milk. The microorganisms or bacteria present in the curd sample turn the milk into curd. Unlike green plants, animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants or other animals for food. Let us see what do animals eat. Different animals have different eating habits. Based on their feeding habits, animals can be divided into three groups: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivorous animals eats only plants and the product of the plants, like cows, deer, horses, giraffe, squirrels and butterflies are the examples of herbivorous animals. Herbivores such as cow, horse and goat have wide and blunt teeth. Such teeth are suitable for pulling plants off the ground and grinding them. Goat have the ability to bring back previously swallowed food to the mouth for chewing it the second time. Squirrels have a pair of broad, sharp edged teeth incisors in each jaw. They use these teeth to break the food such as nuts. Insects such as butterfly do not need to worry about chewing their food. They have mouth part shaped like a straw to suck the nectar from flowers. Carnivorous animals. Carnivores eat only the flesh of other animals. Lion, tiger, jackal, owl, eagle, snake and spider are the examples of carnivorous animals. Lion and tiger have the sharp pointed teeth which is called canines. They also have sharp claws and powerful jaws which help them to tear the flesh. Carnivorous animals such as eagle and hawk have curved pointed beaks that allow them to tear the flesh. Carnivores such as chameleon and frog have a long sticky tongue that they use to catch insects. Shark has several small sharp teeth that help them bite off chunk of flesh, and snakes swallow their prey whole. Omnivorous animals. Omnivorous are those that are eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Bear, raccoon, crow, and human beings are the examples of omnivorous. Omnivores such as bears and human beings have different types of teeth that help them to eat both the plant and the flesh of other animals. Omnivores birds such as crow have sharp pointed beak to help them to eat a variety of food. Instead of hunting live animals, some birds and animals eat the flesh of other animals that are already dead. Vulture is one such bird. These animals are called scavengers. Some organisms feed on decomposers, dead plants, and animals. Fungi and bacteria are the examples of such organisms. These organisms are called decomposers. Together with scavengers, the decomposers, plants and animals, fungi, play a very important role in nature. Without these, our planet would be covered with dead plants and animals. Let us do the summary. Different plants such as root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit serves as sources of food. Animal products such as meat, egg, honey, milk, curd, cheese, butter and ghee are eaten by human beings. Herbivores have wide blunt teeth that help them to grind and chew the plants. Carnivores have sharp teeth and claws which help them to tear the flesh. Omnivores have different types of teeth that help them to eat both plants and animal products. Children, I hope you all have understood the concept of this lesson, food. Where does it come from? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.